Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll to find the display. Now let's tap on wallpaper. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see here we've got the pre-installed options from which we can choose. You can also check which one you've got applied just by checking this icon, which will be applied on the wallpaper, of course, or you can tap on the gallery and you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, and as you can see it will appear on the full screen. If you like it, simply tap on Set As, and you can decide whether you want to set it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, but it's up to you, of course. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the home page and the wallpaper is applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.